My name is Chris Pinto. I'm from Warren, New Jersey. I got introduced to the Jay Morrison Academy through the Breakfast Club. That's how I started. Before all this, actually, I was a hip-hop promoter. I actually was working under 50 Cent for G Unit Records. And it was just a bunch of nightlife, a lot of album releases, mixtapes, just the whole nine. And I was looking for a change because just like one thing I learned about you is that about not just working for me, you know, leaving a legacy, leaving your mark, you know, giving to your family, giving it to the next generation and forward. I started the Academy last February, and I was back at school in Kentucky. I was going to the University of Louisville. So I was balancing both things, but the best thing out of it all is just that I never felt like I was alone just on online courses. Like it's a big networking. Like, it's like you were having calls and everything, and as far as setting up, meeting other real estate investors as well. I would recommend the Academy for anyone that's interested in real estate, just because it's set up for everybody. It's a win situation for everybody. I mean, the prices is perfect for everybody. Just to give it a shot. And like I said, one thing about Jay is that he's authentic. You could see it easily.